Hello guys, welcome to Future Instant Tech YouTube channel. If you are a graphics designer, this video is mostly very important for you because of today in this video I'm gonna share with you best online mockup resource with you. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's start it. This main topic. On Google, you just type here graphics family. Just type here graphics family. This is the biggest website for you if you are a graphics designer, because of here is lot of resource for you. As an example, here is a logo mockup file. Mockup is very important for a designer because of if you are a designer, you need to do any kind of decoration on your design. As an example, here is a official office logo mockup file. Office logo mockup file window version Microsoft, any kind of logo here. It is building 3D logo mockup, modern office building 3D logo mockup. It's really working. You can also download, click here and download any kind of mockup here. Already 1677 download complete here. We need to click, we need to check more things. Need to check icon also available. It's really great. Here is all kind of are free. You can download just free. No need everything is free. No paid option is here. So it's really big opportunity for you. Wood logo mockup, okay. Wood logo mockup. Oh, really great collection is here. Everything are free. So if you are a designer and you don't know and you don't find anything on Google, the best resource, here is the best option for you. So let's work and make your career on your graphics online profession. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe Future Instant Tech YouTube channel.